Let me show you how the new curl request importer works inside Pabbly Connect. You can check that this is an API that works perfectly fine on Postman. It has my headers, it has all the body text, it has all the request for running an API. So what you can do is you just have to click this code button. It shows the curl request of this entire request that I am making to an external software. You just have to copy this snippet here. Go to Pabbly Connect, click on the plus icon, select API. The action event will be execute API request. Click on connect and just click the ellipsis icon right here and click on import curl. So whatever curl request was there, you just have to import it by pasting it here and click on import curl. It will take a few seconds, but then you can see the entire request, whatever was there on Postman, has been imported successfully as it is in this specific request. And now if you try to click on save and send test request, you will see that the API is working perfectly fine like it was working on Postman. The interesting thing about this import is that any field that was dynamic is automatically added in the parameters section. So this means if you want to change anything, you just have to map the values in the parameters and the request will change accordingly automatically. So I hope that you might have learned how you can import the curl request in the API by Pabbly module. And if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments below.